Inside Machine Simulation, we have added a possibility to support different colors for each tool component from Toolkit. Each holder component can have its own custom color, like shown here. When we run Machine Simulation, all the data defined in the toolkit will be exported inside accordingly. Sometimes it can be very beneficial when you can see all the different colors for each tool component, like shown here. In order to use this option, make sure to go to SolidCAM Settings. Under Machine Simulation, you will find miscellaneous options, and make sure that your Join Holder Components into a single body checkbox is disabled.